So I made a weird modification to my USI MI3050S 10-year smoke alarm. If you know these cheap 10-year USIs, their 10-year battery is just two Duracell AA's soldered onto the contacts. And the activation switch over on this side is a one-time use, so once it is activated, it doesn't do anything. So there's effectively no way to actually turn the unit off without permanently deactivating it. So I found a workaround as a solution because I don't want it to be able to make noise whenever I'm not wanting it to. So my solution is to detach the piezo horn off of its circuit board. Don't worry, it is able to be reattached, so there's no need to worry about that. So it is still on. So you can see there's those three little prongs in there that touch the bottom of this normally, and it makes sound. So without this on those, it effectively won't make any noise. So that's my little weird quirky solution to make sure it stays silent until I do want it to make noise. So if you have one of these style of 10-year USIs, then your really only option, if you activate it but you don't want to worry about it, say false alarming something, your really only bet is to basically do this and detach the horn off. So there's that.